burned your finger on a hot pan? Don't panic. Minor burns are a common mishap in daily life, and the good news is that with proper care, they can heal quickly and effectively at home. In this episode of Master It Now, we'll guide you step by step on treating minor burns safely and confidently. From cooling the burn to applying ointments and knowing when to consult a doctor, we've got all the essential tips covered. Let's get started and equip you with the knowledge to handle minor burns with ease. First things first, cool the burn. Run cool, not cold water over the affected area for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps lower the skin's temperature, easing pain and minimizing swelling. Never apply ice directly to a burn. It can cause further tissue damage and complicate healing. Keeping it cool and gentle is key. By prioritizing this step, you're already on the right path to effective burn care. Now that the burn is cooled, we can move on to the next step in treating it properly. Next, before swelling sets in, carefully remove any rings, bracelets, or tight clothing around the affected area. This precaution avoids complications as the burn area may swell. If any item is stuck to the skin, do not force it off. This could cause further injury. Once the burn has been cooled, clean the area using mild soap and lukewarm water. This removes dirt and reduces infection risk. Pat the area dry with a clean, soft towel, no scrubbing, as this can irritate sensitive skin. Each step is crucial in ensuring the burn heals safely and comfortably. In the next segment, we'll discuss applying ointments and protective bandages for optimal recovery. Now that the burn is cleaned, it's time to treat it. Apply a thin layer of antibiotic ointment such as Neosporin or soothing aloe vera gel. These prevent infection and provide relief. Avoid outdated remedies like butter or toothpaste, as they can worsen the condition. After applying the ointment, cover the burn with a clean non-stick bandage. This protects the area and promotes healing. Change the bandage daily or sooner if it becomes dirty or wet. Taking these steps ensures proper care and minimizes complications. Ready for the next step? Let's talk about managing pain and knowing when to seek professional help. Pain management is a crucial part of burn care. Over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen or paracetamol can help alleviate discomfort. Always follow dosage instructions for safe use. Minor burns typically heal within a few days with proper care. However, seek medical attention if the burn exceeds 3 inches in diameter, affects sensitive areas like the face or joints, or shows signs of infection such as redness, swelling, or oozing. Severe blistering also warrants professional intervention. Timely medical advice prevents complications and ensures proper healing. By managing pain effectively and knowing when to seek help, you can confidently handle minor burns. To wrap up, remember these key steps for treating minor burns. Keep the area clean, avoid popping blisters, and shield the burn from direct sunlight while it heals. Minor burns can heal effectively with proper care, so take these measures seriously. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Master It Now. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more practical advice and tutorials. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next episode.